Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Duolingo streak in 2025. So the first thing that you're going to do is simply navigate to Duolingo application and you will see this interface. You'll have to click on this fire icon at the top left of the screen where you'll be able to see your streak. So here you can see when exactly did you lost your streak. For example, if you would have lost your streak on March 3, it will show up here. Then you'll have to simply navigate to your mobile phone settings and put your mobile phone on flight mode. Now, after this, click on settings at the top right of your mobile and search for date and time. Now, choose date and time under general management and turn this button off that says automatic date and time. After you turn this button off, it will show up set date option. We'll have to simply choose March 3 and click on done. After you click on done here and set your date to March 3, you'll have to simply navigate back to Duolingo and complete any of the lessons that you want. You can also take a new lesson or just continue with the previous lesson that you were on. Then you can easily turn this airplane mode on after doing that, and that will instantly fix your problem. So that is how you fix Duolingo streak. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.